Hello and welcome to my channel, My Math 360. Today I will cover a topic, the greatest common factor. I will show you how to find the greatest common factor of 63 and 105. I will do it in steps, but before I get to the steps, I would like to recall a definition of prime numbers. So first thing first, prime numbers. Because we will be factoring given numbers, and factoring meaning turning numbers into a product of prime numbers, I would like to cover the definition of prime numbers first. So the prime numbers, they are numbers that are divisible by itself and number 1 only. It's numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, and so forth. Once again, numbers divisible by itself and number 1. So let's go back to finding a greatest common factor of 63 and 105. In step 1, I will factor each number completely. So first, number 63, we will need to turn into a product of prime numbers. I factor numbers using a number tree, and I like it. It's visual. I like this method. So when I'm factoring numbers, first, what I check on is the smallest prime number, which is 2. Thinking, okay, 63, if it's even, it's divisible by 2. If it's not even, then I'm bypassing 2 and checking on the next number, which is 3. So 63 is not even. I'm checking on number 3, the 63 divisible by 3. The easiest way to check is, there's a little trick to it, is to add digits. And if result is divisible by 3, then the whole number is divisible by 3. So 6 plus 3, 9, divisible by 3, meaning 63 is divisible by 3. 3 times, so 63 divided by 3, 21. Now 21, it's not even, by passing 2, getting to 3, it is divisible by 3, and it's 3 times 7. So 63 I broke into the product of 3 times 3 times 7. 3 times 3 times 7. Now I will do exactly the same thing with 105. I will factor 105 completely using a tree. So number 105 is not even, so it's not divisible by 2. Next I'm checking if it's divisible by 3, and I will add the digits really quick. 1 plus 0, 1 plus 5, 6. 6 is divisible by 3, meaning the whole number is divisible by 3. So I'll divide 105 by 3. I'll get 35. Now 35 is not even, not divisible by 2. It's not divisible by 3. It's divisible by 5. And it times 7. So 105 we broke into a product of 3 times 5 times 7. 3 times 5 times 7. So step 1 completed. We factored each number completely. Moving to step 2. In step 2, I will rewrite each number in factored form. 63 equals 3 times 3 times 7. 105, 3 times 5 times 7. Moving to the next step, step 3. In step 3, I will be able to find a greatest common factor of 63 and 105. So the greatest common factor of those two numbers, there's a simple technique to find the greatest common factor. What you need to do, you need to go back to step 2 and find the number that showed up in both factored forms. So there's number 3 showed up in both of them, and number 7 showed up in both of them. So you take those numbers and multiply them. 3 times 7, 21. So 21 is the greatest common factor for 63 and 105. Don't forget to do step 4 just to make sure you didn't make any mistakes anywhere, and take each number and divide by greatest common factor. So 63 divided by 21 equals 3, and 105 divided by 21 equals 5. So 21 is good. It's the greatest common factor. Mission accomplished.